Hi guys, Vita here with Blueberry Hill. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is a container house DIY. My wife and I, years ago, like 3 or 4, decided to wanted to build a barndominium or something like that, and ended up turning into a container house, which now has 11 containers and a living room that's 15 by 40. It's kind of built for containers, but didn't start with a container. We have a shop, garage, it's 40 by 70 that all our stuff is stored in and we're working through. And right now what we're doing is finishing up the framing and following the process. So the containers are on a pier and beam kind of concept, and with 2x4 framing on the inside. And we want to do that because we're in Texas. It's very hot, so we're doing a very thick R factor spray foam setup. We'll be doing that, and you'll see that in the future. But anyway, welcome to the channel, and follow along if you can. Hopefully you find it entertaining. And we have a bunch of time lapse as well as real-time videos showing our process. Everybody seems to do stuff a little bit different. This is our version. We're getting close. So we started, the containers hit the pillars last July 2020, and it is now July 3rd, so 2021. So it's almost a year, but things are rolling pretty good, I think. We're making very good progress, and I hope you agree. Anyway, come along for the journey. We'll see you.
Hit subscribe and join us, would you? We'll talk at you later. Thanks for visiting.